to
Cassius and Aace!
Yeah, we thank everybody for joining us today, and we thank you for subscribing and liking our videos. Please do that so we can get what?
A diamond like button!
Awesome. So before we get started today, you guys, it's a new toy. I call it a hot toy because I saw it at the store and then I saw it was all gone. You guys are gonna be the first to play with it. You ready?
Yeah?
All right, hold on. Here is the new toy. It is called AKEDO.
What's AKEDO?
This is what it looks like. I need some pictures too.
Wait, I saw this on YouTube.
You did already? Oh man, it's an ultimate arcade warriors. In each thing is a battling warrior. So what happens is they get little stands that they stand on, almost like Wreck-'em robots or the punching robots.
That's rare. This is a rare one. The blue one.
Show me peeps.
Right there.
I'll show them right the blue one. All right, cool. So we'll take a second to open these and we'll come back and show you how they work. All right, so we got one open. This is what's inside. You can see, and I think Cassius might have got. I think you got one of the ones you might want. Go ahead and take a look. Here's the inside. So it tells you there are 38 of these to collect.
Oh, didn't get the rare one.
And then of course, there's rare and limited ones.
What one?
And then it gives us our instructions and the rules, okay? What guy'd you get, Ace?
I found this dude. I found the guy I got.
Okay,
Right
cool.
here.
His name is Hyperlock.
He has half robot
Here's
face.
how they work. You fight like
Let's see what
this.
Ace.
Almost like Rock'em Sock'em robots. And then what happens is
Ace
they
got
get
this.
split down the middle. Ooh, Ace got like,
As a zombie.
ooh, the Frankenstein dude.
Like a robot side.
We're gonna have our first battle in 1 second. Oh
You
yeah.
start at 0.
So you can start there and it moves.
Who gets the 10 wins? Fight. You fight, you go on 2. You fight, you go on B. You fight, or you go on
Each guy has a pretty unique attack the way they move. Look.
Look, mine. Ace.
This guy swings a hammer. Go ahead, battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Cassius! Oh, who's got the Hulk guy? Who's got him?
Me. Oh,
Cassius won. Look at what happens when they get beat. They split apart
I'm on 2. Now me.
and they break.
Now
That's
me
super
on
cool.
the
Round 2, go!
Die.
And Dad is here with his guy. I got the sickest dude. Look at him. So cool.
Easy.
And he whips his thing around. His sickle. Where does he rank on the thing? Oh, look. He's right here. His name's the White Rat.
That's
One. So cool. Oh, I got destroyed. All right, guys. So that's so cool, right? That's our AKEDO Arcade Warriors toys. And hey, before I give you guys a really cool surprise, what do we want to ask our peeps to do? Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, leave some notifications. Let's roll. Run it. Are you guys ready for a big surprise?
yes.
Okay, let me have these. We'll put them right over here now. You're gonna-
So cool.
Those are so cool. You know what's even cooler?
Let me see.
The Ultimate Battle Arena!
Hey, Dad, where's the board at? That's one of the rare guys.
Is it?
Yeah.
They come with the Ultimate Battle Arena. Look, everybody, check it out. We're gonna open this and we're gonna unbox this, show you what's
Dad.
inside.
Look, he put it on the bottom of the rarest.
And then, let's see here.
Yes.
Let's put that down. Make sure we're not missing anything. Excuse me, Ace.
Whoa, let's do this.
good.
No, Nita.
Oh, look. Does it come with? Ooh! It comes with a punching bag and some extra instructions.
No punching bag.
We'll set that up in 1 second.
Look,
These are
guys can jump on
backgrounds, so you
top.
can put a background in, different backgrounds, or whatever
These
you
guys
want.
can jump on top.
Oh,
These-
ready? AKEDO. All right,
Look, you guys, you can knock out your own team and watch him.
go ahead, battle.
Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Hey, we're done. Real plastic.
And there's some really neat features, like, hold on a sec, watch, if you pull him back, he automatically goes forward.
Like you can do this. Go back. Little me tired. No, leave me down. Come on, dude, let's fight. Oh, let's broke some glass.
No one broke yet.
You and you today. No, I made a metal. No one can defeat me. You're a ninja. Hey, dude. Die.
Oh! And they make such cool noises. What sounds did he make, Cassius?
A fart
I
sound.
made a fart sound, and then he was like, he was so tired. Go ahead, Ace, hit the punching bag.
Stop. You can pick what angle you want to put it at too, or if you want to hit it over here.
We didn't realize in that big battle with the battle arena, why the guys didn't blow up is because they had these little things holding them together. So now we're gonna have an actual battle.
Look, guys, now they can open up.
All right, go! Oh! Who won? You both self-destructed. You both win. Yeet! High five! All right. All right, everybody. So that was AKEDO, the martial arts. What do we call them again? The ultimate arcade warriors. Pretty cool. We're gonna play with this for a little while longer. These guys really like this toy. I hope you guys get a chance to find it out there in the wild. And if you do, leave one for someone else. And we want to thank you for watching our channel. We want you to what?
Bye.
All right, peace out, everybody. See you later, peeps. Bye.